So how do you turn these into these?
Hi guys, we're glad to get these videos up and running again after taking a little break to produce some book titles. Draw It With Me and Bryte Products are excited to bring you this new rock painting video. We're going to create some crazy new characters: Yeti, Ninja, and Spider Scientist. We're going to work on some simple designs for rock painting beginners, but we'll also show you a few options that are more intermediate to advanced. We're excited to have two special guests joining us today, Christie and Logan. So let's get to it.
A good place to begin is to clean your rocks with warm water. Be sure to scrub off all the dirt and dust, as paint doesn't stick to these surfaces all too well. Our next step is to paint the rocks a solid color that relates to whatever character you have in mind to produce. We'll be using acrylic water-based paints similar to those available in Bryte Products rock painting kits. Give your rock at least 2 coats of paint if you want it to appear vibrant and opaque. Some colors go on thicker than others, so they may require more layers. As all rocks are shaped differently, choose rocks that complement the type of character or creature you intend to create. To get started, you'll need some additional supplies: water to rinse your brush when switching colors, paper towels to clean up any spills, scissors, a pencil, crayon, or marker to draw out your characters.
All right, so this one will be our Mr. Spider Scientist character. This one will start similar to the way we started the others. We'll start at the top of the head, draw a circle that comes down and around. We'll give him kind of a fat head. And he will also have a mask with the beady eyes, googly eyes. All right, and then right in the middle, just draw a little line there for the nose, and an upside down line there, little frown, little mouth there. Okay, and then from the sides of his mouth, you'll just continue down, give him what looks like beetle wings for the sides of his cloak. And then bring it around, up and around the sides of the rock to connect back with the shoulder, like so. Down the collar line, bring the collar around like that. Yep, and then bring the collar line down and over, like that. Good job. Collar line down. And over, up, and this side will come down and around the rock, like that. You can just go ahead and connect that line there. Okay, down around right there. Oh, hang on. It's gotta have an opening in the middle. So like that, and then the line would be there. Good job. Okay, and then a line down for the legs. Give him some shoes. And then give him some arms here and across. Arms here and across. All right, that's pretty good. That's good for our Mr. Spider Scientist. Oh, arms, yeah, let's see. Yeah, so yours is a little bit thin, so let's give him arms out here. Bring him out. Like that. That should look all right. Good job. We have our little Spider Scientist rocks ready to go, ready to be painted. He does look weird without legs.
Are you ready to do the Spider Scientist? Okay. No. Let's start with his face. So, yep, we're just gonna do this flesh colored for his face. because that's what your skin is. And do this. And we're not going to give him any eyes or anything really at this stage, because we're going to give him some cool googly eyes after it's done painted, after it's finished. So if you want to paint eyes, you can, or you can leave it blank and you can just put googly eyes. So I'm going to leave the outlines for his nose and his mouth. Kind of has a frowny face. He's not, maybe he's an evil scientist. Spider scientist. He's an evil scientist. That's why he's grumpy. He's grumpy because he's a spider. That's fair. I'd be grumpy if I was a spider too. And there's the beginning of our spider scientist.
Not the beginning.
It's gonna be cool. Yeah.
About what?
Our accessories. So you need eyeballs.
Oh.
He doesn't have eyeballs yet. So we're gonna give you some eyeballs. And we're going to give you a little mask to put on.
And a small one.
So this is going to be our evil scientist mask. That's okay. If your mask doesn't exactly fit your rock, that's okay. And then the other thing we're going to do with our evil scientist is we're going to have spider legs. And you can use any color pipe cleaner. Perfect, so this is Logan's. And then we're gonna put a dab of glue right in the middle. And you can always change your legs after it's glued on too. So you wanna put the glue on in the middle of yours. Oh, that looks so good. So now we just need the glue to dry. And after it's dry, you can make your legs bend however you want. You can kind of have them be squirrely, They can be shaped like a spider. You want to shape yours a little bit? There you go. Now our evil scientist is off to go wreak havoc on the city. He's gonna go destroy some cities.
So we have our rock painting characters, Yeti, Ninja, and Spider Scientist. Whether you're new to this, have some or a lot of experience, you can do this in your very own style. Again, thanks for joining us. Be sure to like and subscribe, and happy painting. Take care.